Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making this basic and delicious banana bread or banana cake, whatever you want to call it. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started with the process. Very first, you're going to grease and line a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and set that aside. Then to your flour, you're going to add your baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon powder. And then mix all of that up till it is uniformly combined. And then set that aside, and in another bowl you're going to take your butter and your sugar. I always love powdering my sugar in a mixie so that it dissolves quickly, and then you're going to beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes till the mixture is light and fluffy. And then add in both the eggs and the vanilla extract. And then you're going to beat it again for about 2 minutes. Then you're going to add in your mashed banana, and I love using overripe banana so that the banana cake is sweet. And then just mix that till the banana is combined in the batter. And then you're going to add in half of your flour mixture. And then beat this on low speed just till the flour combines. Do not overmix this because you do not want to activate the gluten. And then you're going to add in the rest of the flour and the milk and again repeat this. You can see I'm beating only for a few seconds. And then you're going to switch to a spatula and mix in any remaining dry flour. Make sure to mix with a very light hand. And then your batter is ready and you can pour it in your prepared pan. Just smooth it all out evenly and it's ready to bake. You're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. And a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. Make sure you're not over baking it, so check at 40 minutes because you do not want the cake to be dry. Here you can see a toothpick inserted has come out clean. And then you're going to let this cake cool for about an hour. I do love eating warm banana bread, so I'm quite impatient when it comes to letting it cool. But once that's done, you can slice in. So you're going to first run a knife at the sides. And then slice your banana bread. I love cutting thick slices because it's just so much better. And here's me digging into the first slice. The texture of this banana bread is just so moist and fluffy. I absolutely love this with some butter or even some Nutella or peanut butter. It would just be the perfect breakfast. And I do think this is the perfect staple to bake in the summer because bananas tend to go ripe so quickly in the summer. I hope you love this banana bread as much as me and my family do, and if you try it, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!